putting a lot of real good work in, so I just like, had a KSUBI, not the regulars, red stars on them, like the red star guys. You know what I'm saying? No question, man. Team be out KSUBI out, man. Gotta make sure, What it do, y'all? ScooTa T. What it do, y'all? ScooTa T. Y'all already know. Quick little day in the life shit. So, I ain't gonna lie, damn, I meant to stop cussing. I'm trying to stop cussing on my YouTube. But look, day in the life. I'm about to go school. Cam, man, humble scribe. Best shootout. Man, so they got a little gift for him, man. He doing a lot of hard work. Putting a lot of work in, like I said, a lot of content y'all see. Y'all wouldn't even see this content if it wasn't for him. So, like I said, just a little something, a little ticket of appreciation for my dog. So let's see where we go with this. Me and bro, we've been working for about like a year and a half, coming up on 2 years. Proud of the work we done put in. About like 215 subscribers over that time. Like when I started the YouTube page, I'm gonna be honest with you, I only had about like 3 followers, and I had to join for maybe like 2 years before that, 3 years before that. So, like I said, we've been moving, we've been having growth. We've been putting a lot of work in. We've been challenging me to do a lot of different stuff. So I say this, like any artist, if y'all doing anything, first thing y'all need to focus on building your team. Cause this thing, like me, I got a real attitude problem. Like we just had a video shoot the other weekend. I ain't gonna lie, like I just got pissed off on some nonsense. Bruh, like, come on, bruh, like you got everybody here. Anybody that's not here, it's cool. Like everybody that's here, they came to do this thing. Like, let's do it. Like, we had a big ass group hug, grown as hell. But you know what I'm saying? That's literally the type of people you want to keep around you, because they keep, like I said, like me, I'm the type of person. I'm like, if I get in that mode, it's like fuck. Like, that's just what it is with me. I'm not proud of it. This is something that, like, I let bro know, but he's seen it. I say this was like the first time he probably really seen it saw it firsthand. So appreciate it, bro. Happy for that. Like, you gotta thank, bro. You need people like that that's gonna keep you motivated at times when it's like you don't feel like doing this shit. At times you just like, you don't want to do it, you second guessing, whatever the case may be. Like, you need your team. Like, and that's where the team and your support system comes from. I'll be honest with you, I want to be done, but I'm not. You got something for bro today. Bro about to hop in this joint, man. My brother. What's up, man? Everything's up. We put that down, man. You've been putting a lot of real good work in, so I just like, had a KSUBI, not the regulars, red stars on them, like the red star guys. You know what I'm saying? No question, man. Team be out KSUBI out, man. Gotta make sure,